Hello, welcome to TV Room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, that does not need to be on. Okay. So we're going to take out the Retro Rewind cartridge here and unplug the power, unplug the monitor, and oh, wait a second. I am going to steal one chip out of this. I don't have an extra 6526 chip from the 128 handy. So, there. So, for this moment, take this, turn this over, move it aside. What do we got? Yep, test machine. Okay, so this, good golly, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, I don't want to drop this. Okay, you know what? Put this up on the pet. And then, with great care, I'm going to bring this 128 board over here. And I'll have a close look here to make sure there doesn't seem to be any other reason. Oh no, this is, oh. Alright, this is the one with the wonky power switch. Now I thought that I had put the jumper wire. Okay. Okay. That is not good. Okay. Not good. We're not gonna do that again. Oh my. Okay. Now, as I said, I thought I had put another jumper wire in this drawer because I think in order to try to test this 128, I need two jumper wires. Oh dear. Okay, I guess what I really want to do now. Boy, that was not good. I'm really hoping nothing bad came from that. I'm really hoping. Let's turn on the monitor. Turn on the 128. Now remember, this one has had. See, there was a thing there. There was a thing. Is that a loose power connection? It could be. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Oh, well, maybe I wasn't terribly in power connection. Oh, dear, 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 dear. Now, I heard that funky noise. That usually means it's now ready to come to life. Oh, it went into the monitor. Why did it do that? Oh dear. I might have done something bad. Okay, it's up. 40 column mode. Oh, why did we go to 64 mode? And it's, oh, I know why. It's missing a chip. It's missing a 6526 chip. I stole it. Okay. So I would like to think I have not done anything bad here. Okay. So that's not going up there again. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, okay. So this is the one I was just writing on. Okay, fine. This one. Go down here. Yes, it can. No more falling down things. Okay. Okay. All right. There is another shield. Oh, man. I often wondered why. There you go. Sit there. Sit there. Okay, sit there. Why did they put that slanted top on the top of the cup? Why? Okay. So I still intend to do what I said I was going to do. I still do. I do indeed. Okay. But when I do that, I'm going to need, I think, 2 wires to short it out. Okay, well, you know what? Before any of that, let's see about getting the chips in here. And then we'll see about shorting the wires. So here is a 6526 chip I stole from the other 128. Oh, get it in there. And here, this chip will, oh, I should double check. U7, U7. Okay, I marked all these. Double checking the witness mark. Put that in. Now, over here. Oh yeah, that's the wrong way around. What is this? U32. Excellent. But it's backwards. Or it would have been backwards. Alright, now here, there are 2 of these. U33, U33. I think I'll check. I'll put this one in. And here, there are 2 of these. U34, U34. Alright. They are in the right configuration. Alright, now here's the U35. The U35. Almost got it backwards. Don't get it backwards. Right here, that's a 6526, and it's supposed to go in U4, so it will. Okay. And here, this is the one, right, that has no U number. So we've got it in the right configuration. And we'll take our time. Okay. This is always a little more challenging. Chips are longer. Okay, that's good. Now here we have a couple of 8701s. I know what they are. I know that they're fine. We'll put this in. And here is a U21, and it is indeed a U21. It's in the configuration. The pins are looking good. We have 4 extra chips. But this one is not in yet. And I need the board to be flat, not sticking up in the air. Okay. So we are populated. Now, I've got to find some jumper wires before I can give this a try. And really, the switch, it's stuck. It's just absolutely, positively, terribly, terribly stuck. But the idea here, and it's funny, I have this one wire here, but I was sure, there's a little jumper, I was sure that I put another into this drawer, but I can't find it. So the idea here is, quite simply, and this has little protector things on it, get this thing into position where it's not touching anything, and get this thing into position where it's not touching anything, and now I've got to find another wire. So stay tuned. We'll see what we see the next time we meet. Back here in the TV room. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.